Hey there, coding champions. Ready for another exciting lesson? Today, we're talking about something super cool and powerful, references in C++. They help your code run faster and smarter. Want to know how? Let's jump right in. Let's start with what a reference is. Imagine you have a super special book, and instead of carrying it everywhere, you just share its location. That's what a reference does in code. It points to the original value instead of making a copy. Let's look at a simple example of a reference in C++. Int number equals 10. Int and ref is number. In this example, we have a variable number with a value of 10. But instead of creating a new variable, ref becomes a reference to number. That means ref doesn't hold a new value, it points directly to number. Now, why is this important? Well, imagine you had a really heavy box and you had to carry it around every time you wanted to use it. That's what happens when you make copies of variables. It can slow things down. But with references, it's like carrying a key instead of the whole box. It's much faster and easier. In this code, instead of passing a copy of the variable to the function, we pass a reference. The function changes the original value and boom! Just like that, the change happens directly in the main program. Using references gives your code a performance boost. It makes your program run faster because you're not copying data over and over again. Imagine you're in a race, and while everyone else is carrying heavy boxes, you're zooming by with just your key. Who's going to win? You, of course. Who's going to win? You, of course. Now it's your turn to try. Write a program that uses a reference to change the value of a variable inside a function. Can you do it? Give it a go and see how much faster your code can run with references. Try it out, and you'll be racing through code like a pro. Write a program that uses a reference to change the value of a variable inside a function. Can you do it? Give it a go and see how much faster your code can run with references. Try it out, and you'll be racing through code like a pro. Awesome job today, coder! Now you know how references help you write faster and more efficient code by pointing to the original values. You've got the power to make your program speed up like lightning. Keep practicing, and you'll be the master of references in no time. See you next time for more coding adventures.